What's going on, everyone? Chandler and Josh here from Lebanon Ford. We are still on the way to our next stop on our California trip. Josh, what's another question people are asking?
Next thing is on the process of ordering a car that is not in our inventory.
Cool. So, the new 2018 Mustang is the most customizable Mustang ever by far. There's a lot of unique options and configurations that just are not out there for us to find in either our inventory or other inventories. So, the way that the ordering process works is actually really simple. You would call into your sales representative, and you can either walk them through on the phone exactly what options you want on your car using the Ford configurator online, which I will link to this video, or you can simply give them the order and say, this is exactly what I want. If you already know what your build is, from there we will actually generate a price quote and can price in your accessories, whether it be superchargers, turbochargers, exhaust, anything else that they want.
Right.
We can give that all to you so you can see roughly what your cost is going to be up front, very, very close to the final amount, and then we would take a deposit and punch the order.